So if you see that, just go to desktop mode. Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can set a paid Deriv bot on your phone. So I will provide free Deriv bots that you can use to set up, or you can just download them. Now I have them in the description. Just like this video, subscribe and open the link in the description below. If you don't have an account, a Deriv account, make sure that you use the link in the description. So after logging into your account, this is the dashboard that you will see, and then this is Traders Hub, as you can see just above here. So you can just switch between a real account and a demo account. And here I want to open a Deriv bot here. So just tap on open it, and I have already opened it here. So you can see it here. So this is the Deriv DBot. Now to download the bot, just click the link and then download the bot. Now after clicking the link, you will be redirected to Google Drive somewhere there, and then you will see a list of these bots. So you can just choose them and download all of them, but you need to download one by one because Google Drive can zip files and then you will need to unzip them. So to avoid that, you need to download one bot at a time so that they come separately, and then they will be downloaded to a download folder. So if you want to transfer them to another folder, just go to your phone storage and then transfer them to somewhere you can access them easily. Now for example, I can just open this and then I can download it. So this is the bot. I have 3 dots somewhere here. So I just need to open those 3 dots and then I can just download, as you can see here. Now after downloading, it should appear in my phone storage. So I just go back to the Deriv bot website, and then here I just open on the local here. So I just open on that local, and then I will select an XML file from my phone. So here I just go to photos and video, as you can see on my phone storage. It will depend with your phone, the type of the phone you are using. So as you can see, the recent files you can see here, we have the dollar printer just here. I just open it and then we have it here. So this is the bot, and then some bots have different settings. So this is not just a similar bot like the one that you find here on the bot builder. And then I will show you the simple settings that you need to change. So I just zoom it in, and then we can see. So the initial stake is the one you need to change, and then we have this stake. So you can just change them, and then we have the stake list here. So this is the one that is used when this bot is running. So if the bot is running, it will start with the initial stake. So this amount is the one that will be chosen or run. So let's say that you set $3. When you set $3 and run this bot, it will first run on those $3, and then it will run the second and those following times using $2. So that is how this bot will operate. Let me load it and we can see it in a nice way. So this is the bot, and then here we have the market that this bot was originally set on. So some different bots have different markets that they are customized to. You need to know that. And then I can see when you are using your phone, it might be tricky to operate a bot or to see some settings. So if you see that, just go to desktop mode. Here we have 3 dots that you can open, and then you can change to desktop site so that you see this bot in a nice way. Make sure you refresh this website if you are using a phone, because I have seen that if you use a phone, then you will see some errors. So what you need to edit here, you need also to use a demo account, because you don't need to blow your account. So just navigate here and change to your demo account so that you test these bots. So here, navigate it to that demo account and then modify these settings to the one that you need. So make sure that you change also this tag to the one that you will use on a real account, because you might end up forgetting and run the bot on your real account. So just make sure that you use a tag that you'll be using on your real account. So this is a bot, and if you want to upload another bot, just use this icon. Just use that icon. You have a lot of bots that you can test on a demo account, and I have provided them in the description below. Also, if you don't have an account, a Deriv account, make sure that you use the link in the description and register. Create an account right away, and then you start trading. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.